Good morning, everybody. This is Mindy Tippett with Sew Steady. Today we're going to be working with our spinning wheel number 36. I'm going to be working with the 5.5 inch today. The special thing about this, though, is that it's spin and echo. So this template actually has 2 holes. So I'll sew the design with the first line, the one closest, or the hole closest to the design, and then echo with the second hole. So let's get started. This design you can make with either 8, 16, or 32 crosshair reference lines. We'll just use 8 today. So the reference lines, we're going from A here to B, and I'm making sure that this marking on the template is on my reference line mark. I'm using the reference line in terms of keeping the template in place up here, just like when we did the original design. But in terms of where to stop, it's eyeballing the foot against the stitch line.